You may think that these are different projects, but it's a single project named Farm Security. Good morning, everyone. Today I, Jasmeet,
And I, Pranav.
are here to present and explain our about project.
Uh, this, if someone tries to trespass in your farm, this ultrasonic sensor will detect the motion and send signal to this ESP. And then this ESP sends signal to the other ESP, and the buzzer will make noise, making you aware of the trespassing.
Now it just need a 5-volt battery. If I add it, it just require 2 to 4 minutes to operate till the time I explain you about its application. Farmers who are living nearby forests, they either use fencing or any another thing to protect their farms. But this will help small farmers also to protect their farms. If anybody enters the farm without your permission or without you or without your permission, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the motion and send signal to ESP, and ESP will send signal to another ESP without any wired connection. It's just a battery. For your knowledge, I just tell you, it's a battery, not any wired connection. The signal will be sent to another ESP with the MAC address, and the ESP will send signal to buzzer to make sound that anybody entering in a farm. फार्म में जाके देखो कोई आपके फार्म में एंटर हो चुका है अभी, लाइक फॉरेस्ट फार्म्स, जो फॉरेस्ट के नियर होते हैं फार्म्स, वहाँ जंगली जानवर का जो आते हैं उनका डर रहता है, जैसे जंगली सुअर कॉमन, वो जब आते हैं तो जो फसल होती है वो सारी खराब हो जाती है. The yield decreases day by day because of them. So to protect it, we have made this project. इसका एक एडवांटेज भी है, it will not harm any animal either or any crop. We can add it in between these spaces, either in these spaces or at the starting and ending of the farms. If we increase the economy, like it's just 500, if we go up to 5,000 or 4,000, by decreasing the motion detection, we can also increase it up to 500 meters or 700 meters or 1 kilometer. It can go up to, if we increase it, but the cost will also be increased. If anybody enters the farm without your permission, one will send the signal, and by reflecting, one is receiver and one is transmitter. Receiver will receive the rays, ultrasonic rays, which are sent by transmitter to the receiver. It will also help the farmers to be aware of their farms if they are not even present at their farms. Like small farmers जो होते हैं उनके पास पैसा बहुत कम होता है. I had seen some cases at जहाँ ये सब हो रहा है कि मतलब किसी की गाय चरने गई है, वो चलो उधर खाओ चलो वापस. I had seen in some places too. मैंने जब उन्हें देखा तो we thought of making this project. That why we made this project. This was all about our project. Thank you.